guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for listening to this YouTube channel. So Friday, our market ended lower today, down 19.39 points or down 0.29% to close at 589.88. Value turnover is up 8.12 billion pesos. So our market dropped sharply no umaga, but end of the day, nag-rebound konti no, para mag-close down few points following a weak US market overnight no, over some troubles do sa Silicon Valley Bank tsaka sa Silvergate. No? So anyway, we already rebranded this YouTube channel and using a voice mode. So anyway, it's the same content. Para maangas naman ang haba ng pangalan nung dati. Hindi ko na ma-expect na dadami yung subscribers natin. It's still the same content naman. No? So we don't speculate here. We anticipate. We're the market babbler here. Diba? Anyway, welcome. SM Prime, PLDT, SM, BPI, and Meralco ended higher. Lagards, Video, Ali, AAV, URC, GSIS. No? Anyway, I hope you continue supporting this channel, although we rebranded. It's the same upgrade naman. It's for everyone's benefit. Even my Twitter account. No, you can follow me. Nag-upgrade na rin tayo. Dumadami yung mga subscribers natin and dumadami yung mga viewers natin. And I've seen several familiar faces following me. No? Kaya kailangan natin mag-ingat lang. No? So I hope you understand. Anyway, Ayala dropped 1.03% no, after recording 27 billion net profit last year. No? Strong contributions from their banking sector and Ali, no? Which will be infusing some of their crown jewels in A-rate. No? So, anyway, these companies, no, yung Ali and BPI, no, both benefited from the reopening of the economy. No word yet on the reissuance ng preferred shares ni AC, no, but it's dropping like sinusuko ng market. No? So what's wrong with AC? Wala. It's just yung foreigners, yung foreign ownership nila medyo malaki, no, compared to the SM group. No? If you check the comparisons, no, the performance of SM families, SM Prime, and BDO versus AC, Ali, no, and BPI, clearly, it's turning against them, no? So, laki kasi na foreign ownership dito sa Ali na when foreigners started selling these stocks, talagang laki ng drop nila, no? So, that's the problem there. It's not about its fundamentals, no? Anyway, MPI, no, clarified the news that they'll considering to launch an IPO for their subsidiaries or toll road business nila for their Metro Pacific Hospitals, which owns several hospital chains in the Philippines, no? Cardinal Santos, Makati Med, etc., De Los Santos Hospital, no? And also Maynilad, which is their utility business. No? If you check the news lately on MPI, they're spending 80 billion in capex this year. And if you check also, yesterday on our video, sabi ko, I don't know where will they get that 80 billion. The interest rates in the sa bangko ngayon are so high that it's highly unlikely, no, close to impossible na humiram sila doon. No? So where will they get the money? No, we discussed that yesterday. It looks like they're exploring to list their subsidiaries to raise funds. No? So, bakit hindi nila mag-tender? No? That's the problem there. MPI is event-driven stock when we started buying that around 3 pesos, 350 to 355. Yun yung max natin, no? The highest acquisition ko. Although I sold some at 450, 460, we bought back around 420. But yung core shares ko around 350, 350. Ang dami kong binili dyan. It was a telegraph move here in this channel. No? Sinabi ko naman na bumili tayo nun. No? And why we bought that. Diba? Those are the reasons there. Insider ba tayo? Hindi. Marunong lang tayo magbasa ng mga ganyang galawan. This is also the reason why I'm not buying MPI at our current prices. No? Aside from yung binenta ko, no, na buyback lang tayo. offer, price goes down. That's it. If there's tender offer, definitely price goes up to its net asset value, or at least close to its net asset value. That's a problem. There are things na di natin control. No, I don't know ano iniisip ni Manny Pangilinan right now in his group. No, but definitely they're earmarking 80 billion for capex. No? Pag nag-buyback kasi, di ba? The logic here, pag nag-tender offer, the money goes to the public. It doesn't solve yung funding issue nila na 80 billion. Diba? So parang i-rule out natin yun. No? May stake nga, kunwari, an investor, a big group investor decides to buy back. May shares na nga sila. No? The public float is around 36%. Sabi natin they tendered 20% or even the whole 30% or 36%. The money goes to the public. Walang nakuhang ikusing si MPI there. Diba? Yun yung problem there. So it looks like MPI is currently studying to accelerate or at least extend or issue another buyback. No? Pag nag-buyback program sila, around 5 billion na naman. No? The money, they will spend or 5 billion to purchase shares sa market. These shares will be booked sa treasury shares. These treasury shares will be eventually sold to another investor. Not anytime soon, no, but eventually. No, at least pera mapupunta sa company, sa MPI, di ba? Yun, mas logic yun, no? Kaya nga alanganin eh, no? At for pesos, the risk reward is not very favorable, no? If mag-tender, akit yan. Pag no tender, laglag yan, no? So right now, I'm looking to sell on rally, no? I might be wrong, no? But already made money here. Kung cost mo 350, di ba? So it's a clear laggard, no? I don't make investment based on uncertain issues. Ang daming pwedeng gumalaw. Remember when we first bought GSMI around February, someone asked me here why we bought GSMI. Why not Costco daw? Eh, baka siya gusto niya Costco, ako I bought GSMI. No? We don't speculate here, we anticipate. Yun yung ano natin dito. No? It's now clear, a winner. It went parabolic to parabolic. 150 pesos. Remember, 100 something cost lang natin dyan. 110, 112, 115. Di ba? Yung highest ko yata, 120. It's now 150. I don't know what's going on here. No? I have my reasons why we bought that. It's a clear telegraph. Ayoko nga sabihin kasi ayoko nga ma-hype mga tao, no? It's a secret stock, but someone asked. Sinabi natin, it's a clear winner. FB also announced record earnings profit. No? Habol na naman kayo. Diba? We bought that around February. MPI ko January. So you know, my average, I have a very strong portfolio right now. No? Clearly, the market is not going anywhere. No? Selective issues lang, selective buying. So yun, no? We have our own reasons. And I'm looking to sell MPI. Why? Ang daming uncertain issues. Kung wala tender to, malalaglag to. If may tender, so be it. No? I already made money here. No? At 450 yan, it's a soccer game. No? When tipong, it can go up, but alanganin. No? Yung spread mo is not very favorable. Kaya nga at 3 pesos, 350, 355, sabi ko pwedeng tayaan eh. No? They already finished their buyback program that time. No? And there's, di ba? We have our reasons there. No? So please review that video why we bought MPI that time. No? Please review the reason why we bought FP and even GSMI noong mga February. It's all there. No? It might take a while, but I'll start removing old videos. No? It's a clear rebrand of this YouTube channel, but it's the same content pa naman. No? It's still me. Diba? So I hope you still support this channel. Anyway, RLC continues to drop. No? It looks like na after being removed from the index, di pa tapos yung selling. No? So their net income reaches around 9.75 billion. No? Which is a 21% growth versus the same period last year. No? So this is a clear winner sa reopening day. Unfortunately, it's the flows. No? subscription period starts next week. It's owned by Vince Perez. Although their FS is bleeding the past few years, it's being backed by GSIS. Yung Check the Business article. And several, it doesn't guarantee it will fly or it will go up, but at least there's an institutional investor backing this up. No? Kaya pala malakas loob mag-IPO. No? It's several months in the making. Actually, there's some news na siya daw nagturo kay Ayala or Asian, kay Francia on the renewable business. No? Boss, nagsariling ano sila. No? Of course, Vince Perez is the energy secretary before. Oh, di ba? By the way, no, telco plays, Dito, Globe, PLDT, no, the ICT is planning to move the SIM card registration deadline to April 26. No? So there might be some extensions kasi di pa fully wala pa, di pa tapos yung mga SIM card register. Kahit ako nga, di ko pa nagagawa eh. Bacor, no, is also partnering with a Chinese firm, no, sa Shanlin, no, for a 1.5 billion resort in Batangas. Is Batangas property ni Governor Mandana. So they're putting a glass bridge parang yung sa China, yung Changchazien nila, no. So I hope to see that eventually, no. So they're looking at 100 million or 1 billion income or revenues from that, no. So kung gusto nila matapos that this year. Okay, what else? Big transaction, no? AEV, parang nag-cross transaction kanina. No? So tags, we already announced that. MPI, discussed that. RLC, ASIN tags, yun naman, no? Yun naman nangyari sa market. GSMI talaga, no? Layo ko na dyan. Will I sell? No. No? Like, I don't need to rush, no? Baka yan pa yung super stock ko for this year. FD, I'm also up there. MPI, I'm starting to sell on rally. The chart looks bad. Very bad. So it looks, chart-wise, it looks like a head and shoulders, but there's still a gap there, so it might go up. That's last chance to sell. So yun titingnan ko para mag-exit. How many MPI? Dami kong MPI that sabi ko nga, kung 3 pesos ay 50 yung cost ko, no? At 4 pesos nilalamig na rin ako, kinakabahan na rin ako kasi hindi ganito yung galawan ng may deal. Sabi ko nga, a deal, di ba? It doesn't happen overnight. It takes time. Sumitomo, when they invested in RCBC, it took them 2 years to consummate the deal. For MPI, I don't know hanggang saan sila sa deal na yun. Diba? Hindi naman yung bukas, invest ako sa MPI, no? Kunwari, Mitsui decides to invest in MPI, hindi ganun overnight, no? It might take at least months. No? Diba? And they're also looking at 8 billion capex for their agri. So let's see if you have any idea anong agri to. No? I have some positions. No? So sabi ko, I don't like crowded trades. Crowded trades, ibig sabihin lahat ng tao may hawak na nun that hirap umakyat. Diba? When we bought GSMI, wala naman nagtatrade dun. Diba? Tapos right now, people are, it's parabolic. Everyone's chasing the price na talagang buy up lang. Yan yung hirap. SPNIC is a crowded trade. No? Everyone's waiting for that asset infusion. Yun yung problem there. No? That every rally, everyone's taking profit, no? From that 1 peso and 50 centavos SRO price. That's a problem in the future. No? So yun. Diba? So what else? Sipag nung social media ni MPI, no? Every article, repost sila ng repost eh. Pang di rin umaakyat. But I'm excited on their agribusiness. 8 billion is quite big. No? They want MPI to grow its agribusiness na maging part of their core income in the future. Alter. scenario, no? So, how Megawide rose to success with the help of SM Group. No? If you don't know, I think SM has a stake in the Megawide. It's definitely undervalued right now. So, let's see if in the future they will just privatize this. That's also a possibility. No? But I don't think anytime soon. What else? Yung mga ex-date ngayon, no? PLC, yan yung mga magalante sa dividends. That's why it fell, no? So it will slip for the next 10 months as accumulate January. No? So yun. Let's answer some of your questions. No? So mukhang Tinder offer to, hindi tender offer. No? So si Erwin Flores, no? More power, no? New to investing. I hope you listen more to this video. No? Kyler Lu. Pwede po malaman ilang total shares nyo sa MPI at what average. No? The highest is around 3.55. Number of shares, sobrang dami. So I need to trim my positions there kasi it's a clear laggard na at current market. No? I started that buying January. No? It's every time I buy, lagi ko naman sinasabi here. Ito, someone asked about nickel. I think we already answered this. No? The price of nickel. Si Rayhan, pwede po ma-share yung dividend tracker. It's proprietary, no? I spent money on that so I cannot share, no? But what I can do is I'm sharing to you my ideas which is more valuable, no? So sinasabi ko naman here, I track all the FS, I track all the disclosures. No? This is also the reason, sabi ko nga, we need to be ahead of everyone. That's an advantage. No? There are some companies are already announcing their earnings. Diba? So if you check their dividend policy, you have an idea how much they will declare. Minimum. No? So you have an idea pagka-announce, diba? Unahan mo na. No? No? But it doesn't guarantee na aakyat yung stock pag ano yung dividend. Gusto lang natin ng fighting chance in this kind of market. Yung tugo, binili natin, binenta rin na natin ng maaga, mali pala ako, no? Tender offer pala at 14 point something. Anyway, we bought 750 or close to 8, mga 8 pesos. After they announced that, yun nga, nag-turn around yung company nila, no? There's a disclosure there. From 2 years of losing money, bigla nag-profit sila. It's a clear turnaround, which is some signs of recovery, which is something the market wants. Remember Bloomberry before? We've been discussing Bloomberry. Bloomberry has been losing money for the past 2 years because of the pandemic. Sarado yung casino, walang high rollers, walang players. No? So, when the market economy, or when the economy reopens, alam mo naman magre-recover yan. You don't buy Bloomberry when the income is announced. You buy Bloomberry when the market suddenly reopens. When you go out right now, makikita mo naman, wala nang nagfe-face mask, konti na lang. No one's talking about COVID numbers right now. Diba? So, someone saying, Vol is mini nickel Asia. Could you tell me if you do? Yeah, no? So, I'm the one mentioned that. No? So, we already discussed that before. No? So, hanapin mo na lang yung video na yun. Jonathan, attend sa anong price pwede mag-buy sa MPI? Baba ngayon. No? Yun yung sinagot ko na yan. No? If there's a tender offer, price goes up. If there's no tender offer, price goes down to pre-speculation stage. No? This is a clear event-driven stock. No? Every news magre-react to. No? Unlike other stocks na talaga solid fundamentals. Solid earnings. No? Easy Proman. Tags laki ng utang nila dahil dyan sa solar business nila. No? I think they have a renewable. Yeah, I agree with you. No? So they need to do some fundraising for that. Ito si Richard Terado. Hayaan mo yung basher mo, bro. Ibig sabihin, lagi nga nakikinig sa'yo. I know, diba? So yun, no? David. Anyway, no? Our passport for today is Market Babbler. No? Yan yung bago nating rebrand. No? Nagre-rebrand na tayo. No? Dumadami na yung viewers natin. Eh. So, again, thank you very much for listening. Stay safe.